Welcome back, and today we're going to be looking at the Chromecast by Google. So there's two versions of this one. It's the HD version, which goes up to 180p HDR, and this one is a 4K HDR. The 4K comes in three different colors. The one that we're looking at is going to be the snow, while the other one is a sunrise and sky color, which is pink and blue. And on the HD version, it only comes in the snow. So first we have the actual Chromecast itself. So this device has the capability of having Google TV, smart home control, Stadia compatibility with games, and casting, which is the main reason why I picked this up at the store. Next we have the voice remote, which is equipped with the Google Assistant. Then we have the quick start guide and some safety and warranties. And then we have the power cable, which is a USB type A to type C. Then we have the power adapter, if I can get this out of here. And then lastly, two AAA batteries for the remote. So this model, as I said before, supports the 4K HDR with 60 FPS, while the other one is up to 1080p. At the bottom, we have a USB Type-C power port and HDMI at the top. So here's my headset view within the Quest 2 as I cast all my video and audio to the Chromecast, which gives me the ability to take my Chromecast to any other TV to share my gameplay. If you're liking the content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notifications. And if not, you know what to do. But any other questions, please leave down in the comments below. Here's a clip of me logging in to Population 1 to give you guys an idea of how I use my Chromecast to share the audio and video that is going on inside my Quest 2, to share with whoever I'm in the room with at the time.
Amazon is now shrinking.